Welcome back to Think and Play Chess, your reliable source for chess strategies and insights. Before we dive into today's topic, go ahead and smash that like button and leave your thoughts in the comments section below. Today, we're venturing into the Reti Opening, diving into the depths of the Czech Defense Variation. Named after the Czech Grandmaster Richard Reti, the Reti Opening is a hyper-flexible opening choice for white. Today's focus is on the Czech Defense, a variation that offers black a robust pawn structure and an unyielding setup against the Reti. The Czech Defense is known for its sturdy pawn structure, mimicking the setup of the Queen's Gambit declined. It's a versatile strategy that provides black various transpositional opportunities depending on white's play. Now let's delve deeper into the first 8 moves of both players. 1. Knight f3, d5. White's knight move puts immediate pressure on the center and allows for a swift kingside fianchetto. Black responds by taking a firm control of the center with the d-pawn. 2. c4, e6. White puts pressure on the d5 pawn, hinting at a potential pawn break in the center. Black fortifies its central pawn structure by adding the e6 pawn to support the d5 pawn. 3. g3, knight f6. White continues with a kingside fianchetto setup, preparing to develop the bishop along a strong diagonal. Meanwhile, black develops a knight to f6, which not only controls the center but also provides possibilities for kingside castling. 4. Bishop g2, bishop e7. White completes the fianchetto setup, positioning the bishop on a powerful diagonal. Black develops the bishop to e7, ensuring the knight's safety and enabling short castling. 5. Castle. Castle. Both players prioritize king safety and castle. This leads to a balanced position where the middle game strategies will start to unfold. 6. b3, c6. White prepares to fianchetto the queenside bishop, further increasing the strength of its long-range pieces. In response, black solidifies the pawn structure with c6, reinforcing the d5 pawn. 7. Bishop b2, knight d7. White completes the queenside fianchetto, positioning the bishop on a strong diagonal. Black develops the queen's knight to d7, supporting the other knight and the e5 square. 8. d3, b5. White pushes the d-pawn to reinforce control over the e4 square and preparing to challenge black's central pawns. Interesting fact for the day. Richard Reti, the namesake of the Reti Opening, was not only a world-class chess player, but also a well-respected author. His book, Modern Ideas in Chess, is regarded as one of the most influential works in the world of chess literature. The Czech Defense provides black with a sturdy and solid game plan against the Reti Opening. Remember, understanding the underlying principles and ideas behind the moves is far more valuable than mere memorization of sequences. If you found this walkthrough of the Czech Defense helpful, don't forget to hit the like button. Subscribe to Think and Play Chess for more enriching chess content, and let us know your thoughts in the comments section. Until next time, keep thinking, keep playing, and see you at the next video.